feel free to listen. 30 miles in the Gulf Stream, hear that south wind blow. Bridge is getting low, shrimp bones are coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on the Pontchartrain, underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, she's mean. Nobody taught her, it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Come down from Chicago, gonna set that levee right. He said, needs to be at least 3 feet higher, it won't make it through the night. But the old man down in the corner said, don't you listen to that boy. The water will be down by morning, he'll be back to Illinois. Underneath the Louisiana moon, I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, she's mean. Nobody taught her, it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. 30 miles on the Gulf Stream, hear the south wind moan. The bridge is getting lower, the shrimp bones coming home. And the old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a Pontchartrain, underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, she's mean. But nobody taught her, it takes a lot of water